morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The dollar edged higher against the euro and the yen as traders exercised caution ahead of what could be a busy week with the long-awaited return of US economic data. Market reaction to US President Donald Trump's tariff U-turn on more than 200 food products was muted. Oil prices were little changed to start the week as loadings resumed at Russia's Novorossiysk export hub after a 2-day suspension at the Black Sea port that had been hit by a Ukrainian attack. Wall Street's main indexes struggled for direction ahead of a packed week that includes AI giant Nvidia's earnings and the resumption of government data releases, while Alphabet rose after Berkshire Hathaway disclosed a stake in the company.
The dollar-yen pair edged higher in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. Gold prices plummeted in the last session. The CCI is in overbought territory. Crude oil prices saw moderate gains in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
The economic calendar for the upcoming days promises to be busy and full of crucial updates. From high to moderate importance, these data points will play a role in influencing trading sentiment and guiding market forecasts. Traders and investors should remain vigilant as these data points approach. Being prepared for possible market reactions will be vital to navigating the financial landscape effectively.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.